Here we are, right by Hoover Elementary School. I don't know what this park is called, but I'll look it up. There might be a name over there. For some reason, I don't want to walk over in that direction. I don't know if you can tell why. Yeah, that's interesting. Anyways. Nice, chilly January day. Hopefully your new year is kicking off to a good start. We know that ours is. We both came down with a little bit of a cold around Thursday, Friday, but we're feeling a little better now, so we decided to get out and get some fresh air. This park is pretty cute. Like I said, there's Hoover Elementary. That was our original stopping point, but it turns out they have everything locked down. This park seems pretty nice. There's a lot of fencing. That's pretty good. Lots of playground equipment. I can't get a great picture on it quite yet because John's running. He's trekking through here in this damp dew on the lawn. Hopefully there's a door to actually get inside of here, and hopefully it's not locked. I was hoping that the door to Hoover on this side wouldn't be locked, but it unfortunately is. Very bad. Very unfortunate. Since, oh hey look, it is open. Since we did take a bit of a car ride to get here, but this is kinda nice. I didn't expect to have such a nice court right out in the middle of Salem. Like I said, I don't know what this park is called, but I do know it's right next to Hoover Elementary School. So I will look it up before posting this video online. I mean, look at this court. Isn't that cute? It has like benches. It has blue paving. It's pretty nice. Didn't expect Salem to have a place like that. We'll be able to get a better shot at the playground equipment up here. Mind you, there's like no cracks in this at all. It is a very nice. There's a person right there, I didn't even notice. It is a very nice court. There we go. Yeah, he's even checking it out. He's like, wow, that's different. There you go. Look pretty good. Here, let's try to get a better picture of the playground equipment, too. Yeah, we actually have swings here. Yeah, I can kind of see why they'd want to close down the park, especially, or not the park, but the playground over at the school, especially over the weekend, since it's so close to a park. And I'm not sure if this is the best area in Salem, but he's looking like he's having fun. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go in. Alright, man. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. What is this? This is cool. Yeah, it's all the same color. Alright. Oh, that would have been a good shot too. Boo. There you go, that's better. Distracted. Yeah. That's a good one. There you go. Yeah, that's a weird one. City of Salem at your service. Yeah, it's not a bad place to live. I do miss Washington from time to time, but whenever I miss Washington, it's never the area that I lived. It's usually the places that I had visited. So it's like, maybe I don't miss Washington so much. Maybe I just miss like Spokane, you know, Tacoma, Seattle, you know. Like, don't get me wrong, Portland's great and all. Yeah, okay. Spoiler alert, we're going to another one today. He just signed it. He finger spelled it. So if you guys could leave a comment where you think we're heading to next, and you get it right, I'll give your comment a thumbs up. Anywho, we're about done here. It's a little bit of a walk back because, like I said, we parked on the other end of the elementary school because we thought we were going there first. But, you know, New Year's resolution goal of losing a few pounds, a few extra steps will aid in that goal. Alright, good job, buddy. A nonchalant swoosh. Yeah, this one's pretty good. Yeah. It's like, that one's the best. I like that blue one over there. That one's pretty cool. John! Get up. Dirty. Let's go.